when you are praying, when you are going for prayers. So if a person who doesn't cover his head, what is the ruling on him? Like, first of all, covering the head, is it wajib? Wajib,
No.
for example?
It is not wajib.
It's not wajib. And one person who never, like most of the time, he's not covering his head.
No, يعني covering the head in the salah is not wajib. Okay, also outside the salah is not wajib. But with the point the scholars mention that covering the head is part of the beauty. يعني for example, يعني in the Gulf we have the qutra or imam, small imama. Okay, also the same thing in India, Pakistan. Okay, during the wedding party, what they will do, they will cover the head. And if the groom doesn't cover the head, we'll criticize him, صح?
Yes.
So, what about the salah? You are facing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in the salah. So, يعني, no doubt, covering the head, okay, will give you more beauty, no doubt. We agree on this, يعني, usually, يعني, as I said in Gulf. But the salah is valid? Yes, the salah is valid. It is haram? No, it is not haram.
Okay.
And as a book for salah, of course, book Shaykh Ahmed AlRumh, one of the best books in salah, describing how the Prophet ﷺ was praying, Sifat Salatul Nabi.
It's also translated
Yes,
in
yes.
English.